Craving something warm, cheesy, and wildly comforting? This ground beef lasagna is so hearty and juicy that every bite feels like a hug made of melted cheese. Let's make it, because honestly I can't wait another second. First things first, I'm boiling 12 to 13 lasagna noodles in salted water until they're perfectly al dente. While they cook, let's start on the beef gravy. In a frying pan, I'm heating 4 tablespoons of olive oil and adding 500 grams of ground beef with 20% fat. I'm also adding 3 chopped garlic cloves and 1 medium chopped onion. Give everything a good mix and cook until the beef changes color. Now for the seasoning. Add 1 chicken stock cube or a beef bouillon cube, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a dash of oregano. Mix well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Next, I'm pouring in 1½ cups of marinara sauce. Store-bought works perfectly. Cover it and cook on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 minutes, the ground beef gravy is ready. Taste for salt at the end because the stock cube already adds salt. Adjust only if needed, then set it aside. Our lasagna noodles are done too. I've transferred them into cold water so they cool down. Now let's prepare the white sauce. In a separate pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter and add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Roast it on low flame until fragrant. Then pour in 2 cups of milk while whisking. I'm adding 2 slices of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a handful of dried parsley. Mix until creamy. At the end, add 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. You can also use cottage cheese, plus 1 egg. Cook it gently for just 2 minutes and set it aside. Time to assemble. Brush your baking dish with a little olive oil. Place your lasagna noodles like this, then add a generous layer of the beef gravy. Follow with the white sauce. And finish the first layer with mozzarella cheese. Repeat noodles, gravy, white sauce. And on top, spoon over some extra beef gravy and a generous amount of mozzarella. Cover with aluminum foil and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40-45 minutes. Then remove the foil and turn on the broil or grill function for 3 to 4 minutes until the top turns beautifully golden. Garnish with parsley and serve it piping hot. It's juicy, hearty, and so comforting that every bite bursts with flavor. Try it out, and please say hi in the comments so I can feel your presence. And drop a heart if you love this recipe. Take care and happy baking!